This is some quite lightweight polyester cotton. So I'm going to sew a 15mm seam backwards to begin with, forwards. Middle plate's very quickly marked out. So you can just follow. So we have a very even stitched seam. Stitches are very neat and equally sized. So here I have some polyester voile. Pretty difficult fabric to sew, you would say. Not so. No slipping, wrinkling, puckering, no sliding around. Now I have some synthetic knitted jersey fabric, which for some machines would be their worst nightmare. So I've also fitted a ballpoint needle. I'm going to select a zigzag stitch and use the stitch width dial to turn the zigzag down to very narrow. So we're looking about less than 1mm width. So it will look very much like a straight stitch. There we go. Slight wrinkling, but that would come out with a press. There's no skip stitches, there's no holes in the fabric. Again, each stitch is very neat and even sized. Very strong seam. So this demonstration is going to show you how heavy duty a machine this is. I've got some denim here. This is a side seam from jeans. So there we have 4 layers of denim. I'm going to fold that so we have 8 layers. And this is using an ordinary 80 size needle. No problem at all. Okay, so let's try another 3 layers on top of that. I've just adjusted the pressure down a little. There we go, absolutely no hesitation. At least 11 layers of denim there.